I love having young generations in camp. I am joined in camp this week by one of my best friend's sons, Alex. This week, we are hoping to get him both an elk and a mule deer. As the elk begin to move down from the higher elevations to get away from the weather, we start to see more and more elk on the ranches. As always, the priority is to kill an elk, but the Harteis Ranch has an abundance of good mule deer too. So if the opportunity arises, we'll do our best to not miss it.
My thought today, because it's very overcast and cold and that weather moved in, those elk are going to be slow this morning, but it's going to pick up in this afternoon. If they are out, they're probably going to stay out a little bit later. Right. You guys are heading to the south, going to head up into BC, into the bowl, but be real careful out here. There were cows out here and 2 bulls last night, and we're going to throw the camera with you, switch it up. Like to get another big bull on the ground. Alex is a hammer. You're going to knock him down. Yeah. I'm believing in you this morning. You can do it.
Got extra ones in your pocket. We don't have any extra ammo, do we? You got it. Let's go kill an elk. So, we're going to take this little patch of woods here in that meadow. We're going to go down around and come up. And if the wind stays in our favor like it is, we're going to head up on top towards Rapido. If the wind changes, we'll just kind of slow play it. So we'll make sure we don't get anything below us. Just to be able to cut down over there and see that group of elk. I mean, it was a really solid 6x6, but it was just too similar to the one that I shot last year, and I'm just trying to, we got a lot of time the first day still, so just trying to maximize what we can, Yeah, there's a lot of animals here. Oh, for sure. So it's a great way to start. Yeah. See a bunch of animals. world-class hunt and adventure, visit harteisranch.com. Good job, Andy.
Best ever.
I can't even believe this. Absolutely unbelievable. We,
Unbelievable.
Yes,
This one was unbelievable. The opportunity to shoot something like this was a dream. It's been on my bucket list since the first time I ever hunted elk when I was 14, and to be able to shoot something like this is a dream come true. And
welcome to Banderito.
Oh, wow. Great setup.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, jeez. Oh, that's like perfect.
Yeah.
It's like camping to a whole nother level.
Yeah.
So we got into those 6 bulls tonight.
Yeah.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, they're right here close to camp, so we just gotta make our game plan tomorrow morning to take it easy and find them. I think they're gonna be pretty close. I'd be surprised if we don't find them before we get to Aspen Meadow.
Alright, we got enough light to shoot. Okay. It'll get light quick. Yeah. Yeah, run the score, go real slow. Run every turn to beat out. Like last night. Yeah. Alright, let's do it. Alright. What a great shot. What a great morning, huh? That's nerve-wracking to sit there on your knee that long. Nice job, Alex. Way to go. That's really hard when you're on your knee with all that excitement and adrenaline going on and watching this whole thing happen. I came up here and spun around. You just dumped right there.
Appreciate it.
Proud of you. It's awesome.
Hey.
Bro.
Thanks, man.
Awesome. Awesome. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, no, it was great.
Excellent. So, Alex, I'm really proud of you. What an awesome morning, bro. You had a good time down there, didn't you?
Great time.
That was excellent. Well, we're going to switch gears. We're going to go up, check a few of these areas. Obviously, these bucks are not out front. And the guys have been seeing them. You may be seeing a few yesterday down in Banderito, but we're going to cover some ground that you haven't been to yet and see if we can't find a good buck here. Whack it with a crossbow, even though it's a gun hunt. If it's on this ranch, we're going to shoot with a crossbow. If it's down there on any of the neighboring ranches we lease, then we can shoot it with a gun. But we want to always say that this ranch is archery only. So it'll be a good time. I know These guys are getting ready. Your dad's coming up with us, and we'll have a good time.
Yeah, sounds good, man. All right,
Let's do it.
let's go.
Still there?
You got the picture of it?
No. Is he still there?
He's with 20 does. He ain't going nowhere.
The big one?
That's the one I saw.
Ooh.
That's the one I saw the other day.
Ooh.
He's like a
That's a great buck.
3x4, but he's super.
Dang, super great deer. Oh, super big buck.
Oh yeah.
So now you guys need to wrestle, see who gets to shoot it.
Yeah, shoot.
There he is. He's on the right.
Way right. There we go.
Okay, so back up. Okay, he's right here. We're just gonna work right over here where we can lay down, okay? He's taking off. What? You're kidding me. Hold it again. Just touch 3. Come on. Get in on there. Yeah. Get in on there. He's right here. Power. You see him? Yep. There. Let me zoom in. You already racked one. Let me wait. Right there still. 215. 215? 215. Yeah. Gotcha. 215. Broadside. Whenever you're ready.
Yep.
Pound him. Got him. You did it. You did 2 for 2 in one day.
Oh, man.
Wow. We got set up. The wind was a little squirrely. He got down here and there he was, 215. You dusted him, brother. Great shot, great buck. Freaking awesome. So you killed your bull this morning and your buck tonight.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's pretty great. Never shot a muley before, so this is awesome.
And it's a great buck.
Oh, wow.
It's a great buck.
That was awesome.
Oh, that was great.
You drilled him.
Dude, I was nervous. Not gonna lie.
That was good. That's a heck of a day.
Yeah, no kidding. Oh,
Awesome. Nice job, buddy. Great shot. Awesome shot. Proud of you. Suit. Oh, that's good.
didn't even have words, so I think I did good.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. Get your hands on that thing. Wow. Oh my. Oh my.
It's not too bad.
Wow. What an awesome deer. How do you feel?
Great. Great. I feel great.
Oh my gosh. This is your what, 3rd time here?
Yeah.
How have you done so far?
Pretty good. Yeah, not gonna lie. Yeah. I mean, we crushed 2 elk here, shot an antelope here, shot 2 bison here.
That's right.
Now I got a mule deer, so you know.
Unbelievable.
Just kinda-
Lift that guy up. Dad, get in here.
Great shot too. See that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh man.
Awesome. I'm not that sold on the out front right now.
Okay, so let's go with plan A then.
I think they're up in those mountains.
What a great assumption, and I like it.
Good.
I like it. So why don't we shift our stuff over into this machine,
Sounds good.
and we'll hightail it up on the hill.
See him right here. Right in front of us. See him right there. Get on the now. You ready, Nick? That tree's that way. You can hit him right behind that tree. Right straight through here.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, send it.
Good job. Great job. Great shot. Wow. Not much to see.
Unbelievable. That is not a bad week. It's amazing as we grow to all these other properties what we can produce and keep the quality the same, if not better, every year. I mean, that's a rock star buck. Wow. Here we go. You are the real deal. Today, you killed a bull elk and a mule deer and are part of the 400-yard club. Now, our friend Guy actually signed this himself, and he said anyone that shoots anything over 400 yards has to do a shot. Now, what's so awesome about you is you do a special shot,
Yeah,
right?
of course, of course.
Why?
It's not his first rodeo.
Show us your stuff.
So your special shot consists of, what do you call that?
A shoey.
A shoe. Yeah, this is great stuff. This is great tequila. So we're gonna throw this in a shoe. Okay, ready, Guy? There, it's in his shoe.
Before this shoe, right? Yeah.
Cheers to the 400-yard club! We actually got a video from Guy back off your dang shoey. All right, everyone gather. Let's see what he has to say.
2 seconds ago. All right, well, man, the 400 Club is a real thing, and drinking out of the booth, I will be sending some cases of Santo now, knowing that you just crushed them. Well done.
Woo!
Top notch.
Yeah!
With second rifle season ending, it is time to start loosening the reins. With our last week coming up, we can start to get a little more aggressive. With a good group of clients coming in this next week, I'm excited. My clients this week were very successful, and although the job is not finished, it's fun to enjoy the small victories week by week.